Acer Aspire 3 A315-24P-R7VH Slim Laptop Review, Affordable Performance for Everyday Use. The Acer Aspire 3 A315-24P-R7VH Slim Laptop is a great option for those seeking a reliable, budget-friendly device for everyday tasks. With its sleek, lightweight design, weighing just 3.92 pounds, this laptop is highly portable, making it perfect for students, professionals, or anyone on the go. The silver finish gives it a modern look, while the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display ensures sharp visuals and clear colors for watching videos, browsing, or casual gaming. Performance-wise, the Aspire 3 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 3 7320U quad-core processor with AMD Radeon graphics. This setup is ideal for everyday productivity tasks like web browsing, word processing, and streaming. The 8GB LPDDR5 RAM allows for smooth multitasking, although some users may find the 128GB NVMe SSD limiting in terms of storage capacity. Thankfully, upgrading the SSD is an easy fix for those looking for faster performance and more storage space. The battery life is another strong feature, with up to 6 hours in performance mode and the potential to stretch to 9+ hours with power-saving settings. Acer also includes a robust cooling system, boasting a 78% increase in fan surface area and 17% more thermal capacity, keeping the laptop cool even during demanding tasks. Connectivity is a highlight with Wi-Fi 6 support, ensuring faster, more stable internet connections, and a range of ports, including USB Type-C, HDMI, and Bluetooth. The HD front-facing camera with Acer's temporal noise reduction, TNR, technology ensures clearer video calls, even in low-light conditions, while Acer Purified Voice with AI noise reduction delivers crystal clear audio during online meetings. However, the Aspire 3 lacks a backlit keyboard, which could be a deal-breaker for those who often work in low-light environments. Additionally, the RAM is soldered to the motherboard, meaning you can't upgrade it, which limits future performance enhancements. Pros: lightweight and portable design. Solid performance for basic tasks with AMD Ryzen 3 and Radeon graphics. Full HD IPS display with good color and clarity. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support for fast connectivity. Efficient cooling system for quiet, cool operation. Cons: limited 128GB SSD storage, upgrade recommended. No backlit keyboard. RAM is soldered, preventing upgrades. The Acer Aspire 3 A315-24P-R7VH is a solid choice for students, professionals, or casual users looking for an affordable laptop. Its sleek design, reliable performance, and modern connectivity options make it an excellent value, though some users may want to consider upgrading the storage for better multitasking capabilities. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.